Hello guys, in previous video we have completed calling our API and we got the URL in our Blockcat. So in this video we will add our adapter and then we will view our image in our recycler view with the help of Glide. So let's get started. Before that we will go to our dependencies and check if we have this dependency added, Glide dependency. So if you have watched the first part you will be having all this perfectly done, so don't worry about it. Else you have to add this dependency. So let's close this and then we will create the adapter. So I'll go here, create new Kotlin class and I'll name it as meme adapter, and this meme adapter is of type recycler view dot adapter, and this will have meme adapter dot meme view holder. So if you don't know about adding the adapter for a recycler view, you go and check out my video which is of motivational app. There I have explained about the recycler view properly. You can go and check it out there. So I'll implement this class here. So here I have this class and this class will have a view. So item view is view, and this is also of recycler view dot view holder, and this will have item view, and inside this we need to create our views. So we have three views. One is our image. You can go to our list memes. So yeah, this is our three views. One is our image view, one is for like, and another one is for share. We'll go to our adapter and create the views. I'll name it as meme is of type image view, that is equal to item view dot find view by id dot id dot image view meme. Let me create for like and share also, like share, and I'll change the id, so iv share and iv like. So we are done with our meme view holder. Now we have to implement the members. So we'll go to context, implement members. We'll add all these three here and click OK. So we have all the members here. Now we need to add our array list for our meme, which we will be holding all of our URLs. So here I'll create private val items of type array list of meme, that is equal to array list. So, and in get item count we will be returning the size of our items. So we will return items dot size, and inside our on create view we have to return view holder. So we will return meme view holder, and then here we will pass layout inflator dot from. So parent dot context, and then we will inflate r dot layout dot list memes, and then we will pass parent and then we will tell it as false. So we are inflating our layout and then passing it to meme view holder, and we are returning the whole thing to from our on create view holder, and inside our bind view holder we have to bind our images. So here we have only the URL. Okay, so with the URL we have to download the image and show it in our image view. So for that we are using Glide library. Before using Glide library we will add a variable for our current item. So I'll add val current items is equal to items of position, and here we will add the Glide library. So we will add glide dot width. Here we have to pass three things. So one will be our context, another from the URL, and the third one will be our destination where we have to load our image. So with we will pass the context. So our context will be holder dot item view dot context, and then we will load. So here we need to pass the URL. So the URL will be current items dot URL, and then we have to pass it into our holder dot meme. So here we are passing the context and loading the URL. So the URL is in the position of current items, and then we are taking out the URL and we are loading it into our meme. So meme is our image view. This is what we are going to do with the help of Glide. So Glide basically download the image and put it into our image view. Okay, so and we need to add one more function to update our memes. We will create a function update memes, and this will be having the parameter of update memes, which is of type array list of meme. So inside this we will clear our items, so items dot clear, and then we will add the items. So items dot add all, and we will add our update memes, and then we will call function notify dataset changed. Here we will be calling this function from our API. Okay, so where we have created this API, so here we will be calling this function. So we are calling this function to add our memes into our array list. So here we are adding one, as you saw in the previous video, we got arrays in one by one. So first we got 1 URL, then 2 URL, 3. So we have to update all into our array list. So we are calling this, and then we are calling the notify dataset change. So this notify dataset change is an inbuilt function which will notify to our adapter that datasets have changed. You have to do it all over again. So this adapter will take care of it and it will load all of the things once again. And this is all we have to do in the adapter. Now we will go to our main activity, and here we need to create a recycler view and we have to pass the adapter. So I'll create a private let init var m adapter. So I'll name it as m adapter of type meme adapter, and then here we need a variable for layout manager. So we have layout manager that is equal to linear layout manager, and we will pass the context as this, and then we will take the recycler view. So rv, and then let's tell rv meme dot layout manager is equal to layout manager, and then we will assign the value for our adapter. So our m adapter is equal to meme adapter, and we are not passing anything, so we will let it like that, and then we will call the adapter. So recycler view meme dot adapter is equal to m adapter. So we are done here, and now we need to call our update memes function from our load meme. So that will be after getting the memes in our meme array. So this is our array, meme array. We will pass this array to our adapter. So I'll call m adapter dot update memes, and I'll pass meme array. So that's all. We are completed this. Now we need to do one more thing. We will go to our main activity, and I'll change the background color of this. So I'll keep background color as black, and then let's run the program and see how it is. So now we need to get a 20 memes here. So yeah, we got the memes here. When I click submit payment something, we have the memes here. We have 20 memes here. So in the coming videos we will see how to get an infinite scrolling. So we will keep loading this, and then we will see how to like this and unlike this, and we'll see how to share. So we will be doing all this in the upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you.